For these 60,000 people who are living in the relief camp, they are very painful and very, what to say, is very difficult to live over there in the relief camps. Six judges, honorable judges of the Supreme Court, they decided that the Supreme Court is visiting Manipur on 22nd March to see the situation in the state which was affected communal violence in the state. So they are visiting to the different relief camps, both for these the Maitai and the Cookies, and this is in fact our Congress party welcome this step taken by the honorable judges of the Supreme Court, and we also request to the honorable judges to look into the matter effectively and see the pain and the pains of the people. And in fact, for the last 2 years, Manipur is facing a very unprecedented turmoil situation in the state, and still more than 60,000 are still in the relief camp, and there is no development at all. This still continues since 3rd May 2023. And again, those who are living in the relief camp, due to the different conditions, due to the, like, say, the economic problems and the unfavorable health situation over there, and there is no means to work for the livelihood over there in the relief camps. For these 60,000 people who are living in the relief camp, they are very painful and very, what to say, is very difficult to live over there in the relief camps. So for that, these steps of the honorable judges of the Supreme Court is a welcome step, but it needs to look very effectively, and so to say, this will be very important steps, so that so the people can share whatever they felt in the relief camp when they visit over there in the different relief camp. And also I appeal to all the communities to cooperate the visits of the honorable judges of the Supreme Court, because they are the judges of the Supreme Court, they are the highest decision-making body in terms of justice and all. So they are going to deliver justice, and everybody, every sections, every community should cooperate. Whatever it is, when they visit, we should cooperate it. And I also request to all the judges of the Supreme Court that those who are living in the relief camp, so the honorable judges should give the directions to the government to restore or go back to their original places, to their respective houses, so that they can feel comfortable. And also at the same time, after going back to their respective houses, the state government and the union government should protect it properly, and will create, I think after that, we will create this a good atmosphere. So this is the sole responsibility of the state government and the central government. This should be performed by the state government. And now, after this president's rule, the whole responsibility goes to the central government, and they should take the sole responsibility to restore the peace and the normalcy in the state.